Is your RAM 1500 key fob not working reliably? Common symptoms include intermittent remote start, lock-unlock failures, or a low battery warning on your dashboard. The 2019-2023 RAM 1500 key fobs use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. You'll need one new CR2032 battery, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean, static-free workspace. Optional items include dielectric grease for the fob's seal and a multimeter to test the new battery's voltage, which should read approximately 3 volts. First, carefully pry open the key fob. Some models have a small slot for a screwdriver. Gently insert the screwdriver and twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage. Once open, locate the CR2032 battery. Use the screwdriver or pry tool to gently remove the old battery. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. Install the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side up. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together, ensuring they are securely closed. Test the fob by pressing the lock, unlock, and remote start buttons to confirm it's working properly.